On board, and an AEO, an air electronics operator. There's now just an AEO at the back, and that's Phil Davis, who's been keeping me up to date as to the progress of them getting here. Sound you heard as the Rolls-Royce Olympus engine spooled up is the famous Vulcan howl. You don't always hear it, but you can tell your grandchildren you've heard the Vulcan howl. Now the wheels are coming down as she goes downwind. Unfortunately, she's not going to land here. As I said, Defence Estate said no jets landing at Abingdon, but she will do a low overshoot. You'll get to see how she looks with the wheels down and in the landing configuration. Very grateful is the Vulcan to the Sky Trust to many companies, the Civil Aviation Authority, Marshall Aerospace, who have the engineering authority, and Rolls-Royce, particularly to some very generous people, Eddie Forrester of Aerobytes, Sir Jack Hayward, and other companies, AD Holdings, Air BP, BAE Systems, EADS, Goodrich, Jug Power, Kearsley Airways, Meggitt, Messier Doughty, and I think I said Rolls-Royce. All of those support this aircraft, but she really depends on you. She depends on all of us. She needs £200,000 by the end of the month to keep going. She's only going to be safe till the end of the season then. The important thing is, though, that she appears next year over the Mall for the Queen's Diamond Jubilee. There she is with her air brakes out on top and below the wings. Phil Davis, the air electronics officer in the back of the aircraft. As I say, he's keeping me in touch with what's going on. He works for Selex Galileo. He wanted me to mention that because they give him time off to go fly with the Vulcan.